Because packaging is often the first thing a customer notice about the product.
Like wine. Wine is a bad thing, but packing is very beautiful. Bottle is very beautiful.
If your packaging is good, your customer will be loyal with you and they will buy again and again your products. If your packaging is good and quality is not good, okay, they will buy, but they will not recommend your products to anyone.
Wow. A well-designed product with poor quality material will still fail to meet the customer's expectation again.
So first they will check your packing, then they will realize the situation that either the quality could be good or not.
Quality products generate positive review.
If I am telling to you, I am a teacher and I'm wearing banyan or short front of you.
Oh. Yes.
So you can tell me a teacher?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Well, in the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, the eternal, the omnipresent, who has created 7 earth and 7 skies. In fact, who has created everything, who is the master of life and death. In fact, who is the master of everything. And may peace and blessing be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his family and his companions and all the Muslims around the world. Well, today we are going to have a wonderful debate, but this is a kind of, intellectual debate. Okay, why? Because the topic is really interesting, but a little bit, complicated. We are going to talk about packing or the quality of a product to grow business. So guys, introduce yourself one by one and also share one point. Okay, so who is going to introduce first? Okay.
Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Maria Khanam and I have been learning English for 2 months. Today's topic is that packaging versus quality. And I think both have same importance, but I support quality because I think to stay in market for long-term basis, quality matters. That's why I support quality.
Wow, great. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyeda Maharashraz and I live in Gulshan Iqbal. I'm going to support packaging because packaging is often the first thing a customer notice about the product. A well-designed package can attract and immediately capture attention of the customers, leading to increased sales.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyeda Maharashraz and I support the side of quality because higher quality products often perform better and last longer.
My name is Anand Nadeem. My father's name is Nadeem Ahmed. I study in class 6C.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een. My name is Nadeem Ahmed. I live in Gulshan Iqbal and I am supporting quality.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Hassan Khan and I am learning English over here. Today's topic is packing versus quality and I support packing because I think presentation have same importance like quality because quality will be checked after using the product. But first the people attract by packing. Thank you very much.
Well, my name is Samay Amin. I am from Karachi. I am studying computer science in a virtual university. I support quality. Quality is a good thing and presentation for society.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Banish. My father's name is Abdul Rahim. I am doing ADC Part 1 Commerce. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. We are here to debate about quality versus packing. So I am supporting quality because a high quality product meets customer expectations, leading to satisfaction and loyalty.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rabia and I have been learning English language course for 2 months. So our today's topic is quality of product versus packaging of product. So I am in favor of packaging of product. Both according to me, both have equal importance. But if we talk about packaging, firstly, people see your packaging, attract your packaging. So your packaging is good, so automatically your customer will be able to buy your product. Thank you.
Now guys, who all are supporting packing? Please raise your hand. Wow, good. Okay. Now who all are supporting quality? Okay, you are in numbers. Okay, many people, support quality, but it will be decided who is going to win the debate. Okay, so who wants to say something first?
Quality products generate positive review.
Packaging serves a powerful tool for brand identity and differentiation.
Your packaging is good and the quality will not good. So will people buy again?
If packaging is really good, automatically in people's mind, quality will also be representing good. Means like a good quality will also be come in mind of people's when they see the presentation of the product.
Okay, I have a question from you, Manu. You said packaging should be like in a well-mannered way, something like that. But I agree with that. People attracted by the packaging, but definitely then they will see the quality.
I wanna answer Maria that if you first of all people attracts your packaging. It's if your packaging is not good, so how people buy your product? So they see first packaging.
I agree that, and I said, okay, firstly, I agreed, and I said that firstly people attract by the packaging, but definitely then they will see the quality, and if quality will not go, so what do you do?
I'm not asked that quality is not good, but quality is also good. That first they attracts your packaging. It's your packaging is not good, so your quality will damage. Means your product will damage.
It's a brilliant point. Yes, I agree with that.
So
yeah, it's a brilliant point.
Packaging.
How can you predict the quality of a product?
Yes.
When the packaging is really, inferior quality.
Yes. So.
In my point of view, quality is more important than packing, because first you see like wine is a bad thing, but packing is very beautiful, bottle is very beautiful, but in everything is not good for packing. So many things, quality is more importance, like any use about restaurant. First to check out the newspaper that restaurant is very good due to good quality. On that time you don't see packing, you see only quality.
Well, if for instance, you said that if we go to restaurant and you don't see the presentation, but if the plate is dirty and the quality of the food is really good, and the plate is really dirty, and you are not able to eat the food, so quality doesn't matter at that time.
Yeah, brilliant point.
No, but almost people I have seen, and also I will say that you have also seen that street foods. There's not in a good packaging way. Like we can say that about burger, egg burger. And almost people too much like. But people and we are asking about people do you like Zinger burger or that burger? So definitely almost people answer I like egg burger, but there is not in a good way packaging. But
what is your point, by the way? Are we comparing the burgers over here, or
I want to say that
yes, please.
there's not also clean plates and clean dishes, but people buy because their quality is nice.
So what about Food Panda? If the Zinger burger is delivered you in a sloopy way, in a very bad way, everything is mixed up.
Yeah.
So will you like it?
Yeah.
Will you appreciate because
no, I will not appreciate, but I like because if quality is good,
then you will think about the packing, that it should be in a wonderful manner.
I will think. Yeah, but I will buy.
Why we are supporting, by the way.
But sir, I will definitely buy.
You will buy it?
Yeah.
By closing your eyes?
No, sir, because quality is good.
Yes.
So I want to answer Maria that first of all, people see your packaging, not quality. They attract your packaging, not how I see that quality. If I take example of fast food, they first see that packaging. What is the logo of shop and what is the cleanness of the shop, and they show their packaging. So they first attract that packaging, not quality. So this is like.
Well, guys, I want to ask you one question who are supporting quality. Okay, our situation is that we are discussing over here that how to grow the business. Okay, so like your business is not well known to the people. Okay, now you are about to, like, you just want to grow your business. So many people don't know about your product. So first they will check your packing, then they will realize the situation that either the quality could be good or not. First they will check your packing, that if the packing is good, it means the company has decent understanding of everything. If the packing is really in inferior quality, they will consider that we should not buy that. Is that so? So now answer this question. Okay,
I want to answer to your question, sir. If I buy sunscreen,
if
I buy sunscreen, screen,
okay,
like sunblock,
okay,
and there's not good quality and also packaging is too much good, but I will not buy again because I need product. I need quality, product quality, not like packaging, because I need to protect from sun my skin. So definitely I will buy from local shop that sunblock or sunscreen, because I need product. I don't need packaging.
Packaging is an essential part of marketing. Eye-catching packaging designs and creative elements help to attract customers, and increase sales.
A well-designed product with poor quality material will still fail to meet the customer's expectation again.
If some product has the beautiful packing, but it has cheap quality, so maybe it will be purchased one time, but it will never purchase again.
yes, indeed. If the quality is low quality, people will not tend to buy it again. Very nice, good point.
And I wanna say the supporting of packaging, they are saying that quality packaging attract by the people firstly. Okay, but if your packaging is good and quality is not good, okay, they will buy, but they will not recommend your products to anyone.
Wow,
and
great.
if I buy sunblock, sunscreen, or any cream, night cream, we can say, or any facial recommendation, from local shop, and definitely I will recommend, and I will say that we should support Pakistani product. They don't have good packaging, but they have good quality, and we should buy from there and from here.
I have seen, so many products when the packing is really poor quality. Even, the packing does not support the preservance of anything. For example, take the example of milk. Olper is a big name nowadays. Okay, now if the packing is not good, the milk will be spoiled. So nobody would want to buy that. So it means, even the quality is super high. Even then we need packing of the product. It helps us to grow business. Do you agree with that, by the way?
If we are sending products to anyone in a good packaging, but not in a good quality, so we can say that they are loyal with us, but I will definitely say that we are not loyal with them.
How?
Yeah, because we are sending in a good packaging, but we are not sending in a good quality. So how can I say that we are loyal with them? We are just showing our products with our packaging, and we are doing our advertisement. That's why we are saying we cannot loyal with them.
If your packaging is good, your customer will be loyal with you, and they will buy again and again your products.
If I am telling to you, I am a teacher, and I'm wearing banyan or short front of you.
Oh, yes.
So you can tell me a teacher?
Oh, I will not judge you a teacher. Yes, it means presentation is more important than the quality of a teacher.
Yeah.
Yes, I do agree with you. Brilliant point, yeah.
I think to stay in market for long-term basis, quality matters. If some product has the beautiful packing, but it has cheap quality, so maybe it will be purchased one time, but it will never purchased again.
Yes, this is also true that if the packing is really good, but the product quality is really low, people might buy once, but they will never buy it again because ultimately they want to use the product, not they don't want to eat or lick the packing of any product. They want to use the quality product. This is also true. Yes, this.
I want to say that quality is also good. I'm not against with quality is means that quality is bad. I support that quality is also good. Quality should be there and is but more is it packaging.
They don't say that there should not be any quality.
Yes.
There should be quality.
Yes, there should be quality.
Also, there should be also packing.
Packaging.
Packing is more important.
Packing is more important.
Very good point.
Yes.
Also, I want to say that I am not saying that packaging is not important. Firstly, in my introduction, I said both have same importance. But if you want to long term your products in markets, so quality matters.
Well, I've seen a lot of companies, they are spending a lot of money on packing because they want to attract the audience, the user. But what about the cost? Take the example of any product. The product is just for 100 rupees, but they are spending 200 rupees for packing. Ultimately, the consumer has to pay for that. This is also the valid point, okay?
Quality product build trust and a strong brand reputation.
You're saying that in packaging, you are having the loss. So if the packaging is good, it is automatically you can have increased sales and you have the money of the packaging, and even though how much the customer pay or whatever, it doesn't matter even if you have increased sales.
In my point of view, quality is important for customer satisfaction. It is very essential. You see in garments company, the manager always say to his worker that you work carefully and monitoring your work, because he want to improve the quality. You see Gul Ahmed company, his quality is so good. They do not care about packing.
I want to answer you. You said that they improve their quality. They also improve their quality, but what about packaging? Packaging is also good. If your packaging is not good, so how you deal with the customer? They said they see the quality. They don't see the packaging. How they attract the quality?
If you want to sell a bracelet and it's only 100 rupees, but you invest too much money on the packaging, at the first sight of the customers, they will be happy, but alas, they will throw the packaging in the dustbin and use the bracelet. So over packaging can lead to damage and also waste, overcost, and cause pollution to the earth.
Wow, wait a minute. Like, what about the pollution?
Okay, I agree that first people attract by the packaging, but then definitely they will check quality of product.
If we take example of local restaurant, not local, but rather than Coconut Grove, it's local, like Gausia, Mano, like we consider Burns Road and Hussainabad Food Street. Definitely people's buy and people's come to Mano and Gausia, not Coconut Grove, because there's expensive food and also it's not good quality. So, and Coconut Grove, if you see Coconut Grove, I don't have any words described, they designed in a very well mannered way, but quality is not good of food.
Okay, now what we're going to do is just share the very crucial point. Like you think that this is debate winning point. Share with us, okay? One by one, share your last point over here, okay? Are you ready for that? Cool.
By prioritizing quality over packaging, you can invest better experience, long-term value and also reduce waste.
Packaging serves a powerful tool for brand value and importance, identity and differentiation. Great packaging can help the brand stand out and increase its values and importance other than quality.
My last point is product quality as a key driver of business success, customer satisfaction, and brand reputation.
My last point is that quality product generate positive reviews.
I want to end my debate with this point, and the point is that we should focus on quality, not much focus on packaging. Because if you want someone become your customer, so they want to use product of they don't want to use a packaging. That's why we should improve quality. Otherwise, they will not buy again and they will not recommend to a product to anyone.
My last point is that if you look from my side, the packaging of goods and services is a key to create automatically driving sales and revenue growth, which gives a positive impact to the market.
My last point is if you want to deliver your product with same quality, so you are focused packing and you are focused strong packing.
My last point is choosing a right quality and long-term value.